Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on the WOLFANG GA400 camera. And to do this, we'll need to power on our camera and also insert the charged battery, or simply plug in the charger into the input right here. And when you're ready, you can power it on. Go for the language, first option. You can choose whichever one you like. I went with English. Then we can adjust date and time settings and also change the and then format SD card. Sorry, I went with date and time and I couldn't go back, so change date and time. Decide whether you want to format SD card or not. If you want, then click yes. If not, click no, and your camera should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.